See why life is so sweet at Creme Brolee.
We're Creme Brulee. Come on and get torched. So we start with a quarter cream of heavy cream. We have 4 ounces of sugar, 2 ounces of vanilla extract, and then 2 ounces of maple syrup. We mix that all together, and we wait for that to come to a boil. So now that it comes to a boil, we're going to add in the egg mixture. It's going to be eggs and sugar. Take the sugar, put it inside of the eggs. Mix the eggs until nice incorporated. From here, we're going to temper the eggs. Take some cream, put it inside this mixture, slowly. Try to avoid the curdling. From here, we're going to go back into the creme brulee mix. Mix while you pour in the eggs to avoid the curdling again. We're going to put it in something to pour it in to make our lives a little easier. Take it from here, pour inside our little ramekins. Try to get all the way to the top without making a mess. And now to avoid all those bubbles, we'll take a torch. Quickly burn the bubbles away. After we take the bubbles away, we take some water for the water bath for the creme brulee. Go up halfway. And from here, we put it into the oven at 325 for 20 to 25 minutes until it's nice and firm. For the maple candied bacon, we're going to take all the bacon, throw it into a bowl. Try to spread it out as best as you can. Separate them. Take the brown sugar, light brown sugar, a little pinch of salt. Couple turns of the black pepper. We're going to mix it, incorporate everything as best as we can. Get a nice candied turkey bacon. So we're taking this to the oven, 400 degrees for 25 minutes. So here's the bacon. 25 minutes in the oven at 400 degrees. We took it out, we put it in the refrigerator, let it set for about 30 minutes so it's nice and cold. After that, we take it and we chop it up and we put it in our bowl. And there it is our candied maple turkey bacon for the creme brulee. Creme brulees come out of the oven. We take them, we cool them, and we're ready for production. So for production, we take each creme brulee, take a little bit of sugar, put it on top. Take some of the excess sugar off. So here I use sugar in the raw. The reason I use sugar in the raw is because it's a bigger piece of sugar and it burns a lot better under the flame. Take the torch, get it nice and toasty. Nice little glass on each one. Our turkey bacon. Put it on top, each one. Our spoon, facing the customer, and serve. And that's our candy turkey bacon creme brulee.